Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use templates in your Google Vids scenes. So let's say you're working on a Google Vids project, you've added a new scene, and now you want to design what is going to be on that scene. If you go to the scene menu and click on templates, you're going to see a side panel open up on the right-hand side. It will have a bunch of different templates that you can use. Notice the different design features, they all look different. Now, what's important to understand about these templates is right now you're just looking for a generic design. So if I click on this will now take me to different scenes with this exact same design. So what I would do now is I would find a scene design that looks like what I want on this scene, and then I could just select that template for that scene. All right, so I click on one, and now I've got a template that matches what I just selected in this scene, and I'm free to, redesign some of these things, change the text, whatever. All right, so I can take this design template, get most of the stuff I like, and then just change some of the other things to personalize it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.